Hospital admissions are up 22% compared with the previous week. That's more than 100 admissions per day. There's an average of 824 reported cases per day across the state, but that number is still significantly lower than where we were a year ago, an average of 7,100 cases per day.
तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको प्रूफ दिखा देता हूं कि बीगो लाइव का एक नॉर्मल यूजर बीगो लाइव से कितने पैसे कमा सकता है। तो मैं यहां पर मी पर क्लिक करता हूं, उसके बाद मैं वॉलेट पर क्लिक करता हूं। तो दोस्तों सबसे पहले आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको किस चीज के पैसे दिए जाते हैं। यहां पर दोस्तों आपको बीन्स के पैसे दिए जाते हैं। अगर आप यहां पर बीन्स पर क्लिक करते हैं तो यहां पर आपकी करंट बीन्स होती है।
Emergency in the US and around the world. The number of cases soaring just today. More than 24,000 now nationwide. New Jersey today becoming the 6th state to close all non-essential businesses, joining California, New York, Illinois, Pennsylvania, and Nevada. More than 80 million Americans now told to stay at home. New York State with more than 11,000 cases, and now New York City with new rules on who will be tested. Plus, Governor Andrew Cuomo's alarming prediction, he says 40 to 80% of people will ultimately become infected. Across the country, some hospitals bracing for the worst, beds filling up with patients, critical supplies in some cases running dangerously low, and healthcare workers afraid they will have no way to protect themselves. Vice President Pence saying he and his wife will both be tested after one of his staffers became infected with the virus. And as we come on the air, the FDA late today revealing a new rapid test will be available at the end of the month, giving results in hours instead of days. ABC's Diane Macedo leads us off.
Tonight, the so-called epicenter of the coronavirus crisis in the U.S. is making drastic changes to COVID-19 testing.
We have to keep focused on where the need is greatest, and that's how the testing programs will go.
The New York City Health Department is now limiting testing to hospitalized patients only, in hopes of not only preserving tests for the most ill, but also preserving the protective equipment required for each test, equipment that protects healthcare workers and is in short supply. But Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease specialist, says not every American needs to get tested.
When you go in and get tested, you are consuming personal protective equipment, masks and gowns. Those are high priority for the healthcare workers who are taking care of people who have